Hey guys, it's your girl Nami, and I'm just here to give you a little quick product use for a quick weave. I labeled the products for you in the video, and I hope you guys like this. For starters, before I did anything, I braided her hair down and I placed a wig cap on top of her head. The wig cap was black, and then I painted it with the protective shield, sprayed a little bit of spritz on it, and blow dried it to protect the hair. And then I got to the process of measuring her hair with the tracks, basically following the shape of the head, putting the glue on the track, placing it on the hair, blow drying it, whatever. So that's just a quick video giving knowledge on how to do a quick weave, what kind of products you can use for a quick weave. And the products I labeled in the video, you can use those products. There's also products that are similar to that you could use as well. But that was just a little quick, little informational video. But hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up in the comments if you've ever used those products. But yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to check out the end of the video for the result.